Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use your Android mobile phone as a compass. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and then first of all, if we want to use our Android mobile phone as a compass, we need to download compass application from Play Store. So first of all guys, I'm going to open up my Play Store application, and then I'm going to search for a compass application. I'm going to go to the search menu, and then we just need to type in compass like this. Okay, and there will be a lot of applications you can install on your Android mobile phone, but I recommend you to use this one, Digital Compass. I'm going to tap on that, and then I'm going to install this application on my mobile phone. Okay, just hold on guys. Now the application is being installed, and we just need to wait until 100%. All right, it's almost done. Okay, and now it's done guys, and it's time to open the compass application on my Android mobile phone. I'm going to tap and open, and as you can see, we'll be able to use our Android mobile phone as compass. Okay, like this guys, and then I'm going to activate my location. Okay, and you can go to the setting to set your compass application on your Android mobile phone. Okay, I'm going to show you the setting. Okay, and here you'll be able to open up the map as well. If you want to open up map, you can go to the map option. Okay, and I'm going to go back. Okay, and you'll be able to change the heading. You can select the true heading or magnetic heading, just like that. That's so easy, right? You just need to go to the Play Store and install this application on your Android mobile phone, so you'll be able to use it as compass. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use our Android mobile phone as compass. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.